Welcome back with another simulation session. In this session, I'll be backtesting gold, and the main focus in this simulation session will be to visualize the higher time frame, like where could the current 4-hour candle could go, and then look for confirmations on the smaller time frame, and then we'll take entries. So let's just forward the candles towards pre-London time. From here we can check the timings. This is 8 o'clock. This is where the pre-London time starts. So I usually start trading during this time. So I'll forward the candles 8 o'clock. All right. Go to 30-minute. Shift the chart. And let's just close these lines because we don't need them. Like, you know, in the London session, there would be rarely a news. So I don't think we need this. Okay, we are at 8 o'clock. Let's change these lots to risk. We will enter every trade with 1% risk, will not increase risk. And looking at the 4-hour. Okay, so we're looking at the 4-hour. What we can see is that first thing, we are creating support. Perfect. Second thing, we know that whenever price creates support, there's a very high chance it will go up. Like, there's a chance it will go up, right? The second thing is what I'm seeing, this candle has made no bottom wick. So what does it mean when the candles make no bottom wick? This means there's a very, very less chance that the next candle could go down. Why there's a less chance? Because why this candle didn't even try to go even 1 pip lower than this specific price level, right? So that means there is less chance for the next candle to go down. So this candle could first wick down and then go up and retest this high. Okay, now we need confirmations on the smaller time frame. Okay, looking at the smaller time frame, like, you know, we are going up, we are retracing, and again we can go up, right? That's the whole idea. Like, we went up, made a new high, came down. Now we need some sort of support forming on the smaller time frame. Well, looks like we have a support forming on the smaller time frame, right? We have a support forming. So we'll see if this candle goes a little bit down and then wick up, break the high. That's when we can look for entries. Other than that, I'm not going to enter because I need a little bit lower wick for that 4-hour time frame. Because higher time frame, like, see this. Okay, except this candle, this candle made bottom wick, this made this, like almost every candle has made a bottom wick. So this candle should make first bottom wick and then go up. That's the whole idea. Like, we trade the probability which have the higher possibility, I would say. So speed it up. Now if it breaks the high, I think there's a chance that it can go up. Okay, we're breaking up. 4-hour seems like bullish, or we have a confirmation on the smaller time frame. Like, we need a support on the smaller time frame. So let's take a buy right here. SL will go under this candle, and take profit would probably go on the 4-hour high. Price can tap this level easily. So let's set it. That's it. Now all I'm going to do is to wait whether price is going to hit my take profit or hit my SL. That's it. That's all I'm looking at this point. Speed it up a little bit. Very nice. We're pushing up. We're pushing heavily bullish. Speed it up a little bit more because I don't want to increase this video duration. You know, it would be much boring then. Okay, we are pushing up. Let's forward it. Close bearish. Okay, like, yeah, price went bullish a lot. Now it should do a range or, you know, retest these areas to go up, but I'm going to hold this trade. I'm totally confident in this trade. I'm not going to close it here. Like here I'm getting 1.74% reward, right? Like my account size is $10,000, so I'm getting $174 on this trade. But see, the 4-hour is clear. Why should I close this trade? Price can easily tap this resistance. Okay. All right, we're pushing down. Yeah, it rejected this level. Now it should go up. Yeah, it should go up. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Okay, we are going down, looking at the 1 hour, looking at the 15-minute, 30-minute. Okay, price, this is how market moves. Price broke this resistance. Now it is coming down to maybe retest this resistance, and now it will go up from this point. Like Forex market doesn't move like this. It doesn't move like this. No, it moves like this. So we take a buy right here, right here. These are the points for the buys. That's what market is doing right now. Market is just pulling down to potentially go up again. By the way, I was getting a very good reward here, but still, you know, I'm totally okay if this doesn't play well. I'm totally okay with that. New 30 minutes started. It's been just 7 minutes, and maybe this candle will close bullish, and then next candle will break the high and continue pushing up. If this candle closes bullish, next candle breaks the high, I'll enter another position. Okay, we are breaking the high. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, if this candle closes bullish, I'll take another entry to make more gains, because I'm getting another confirmation, right? Like price went up, retest. Okay, seems like we are in a little bit of problem, but yeah, let's just wait. Let's just wait here. Maybe this candle will close bullish right here. That would be even more better, because then our risk to reward would be good. I'll enter here, SL here, stop loss will be smaller, and we are pushing up. Man, like there was so much volume at this point, and let's just close the trade. That's it. Made about 2.93%. The idea was simple. The 4-hour visualization, right? Like this 4-hour candle went up. That was my whole idea. This candle made no bottom wick. Looked for the confirmation on the smaller time frame like M15. We needed a support, and the support formed. Boom. Let's move on to the next day. Again, we will visualize the 4-hour time frame. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. Daily is whatever, like a lot of wicks on on the upper side, on the lower side. So like I'm not getting any clue. I would say maybe like previous candle closed bearish, so maybe we'll go bearish. That's just a rough idea, but I won't rely much on the. Okay, so delete this. We had a support forming on the 4-hour. 4-hour candle closed below support. We have wick to fill, but there's also another support. So yeah, we'll see on the smaller time frame like how market behaves in this level, because price could break this level, like fill this wick. The daily seems bearish, it's pushing down. So the previous candle closed bearish, it went up, made a bottom wick, sorry, made a top wick in the Asian session. Now it's pre-London time, there's volume in the market, so 4-hour 1 hour, if we do break below this zone, then I'll look for sells. Yeah, that's the whole idea. So delete it, set this line. This is much cleaner. Like for me, this is much cleaner. Okay, and what about buys? So buys, I would say probably above this level. Above this level, I'll take a buy if candle closes above, but this candle could wake up, M30 will close above right here, then it will start rejecting because this candle has to maybe go down, right? And it would be a fake out on the 30-minute, but we'll see whether if I get a stronger confirmation, then maybe I'll look for buys. Other than that, there is no entry. Okay, 4 hour is going up to make a top wick. Okay, what if this candle closes bearish right here? Isn't this would be a good idea to take a sell? And we closed bearish, right? 4 hour candle has to move down, first confirmation. Like it has to fill this wick, and it can easily come till this level. Okay, looking at the 1 hour, we needed resistance. Like in the same way, when I said that the 4 hour candle has to move bullish at this point, we need a support on the smaller time frame. That's the whole idea. We needed support on the smaller time frame, and if the 4 hour candle has to go down, we need a resistance on the smaller time frame. So that's the whole idea. Let's take a sell right here, SL above. Okay, let's just place SL right there. TP will go maybe right there. Yeah, it's a 1 by 1, and yeah, seems like a good idea to take a sell. It's just okay, accept it and let it run. Now there's nothing that I can do. All I'm gonna do is wait for the market to hit my take profit or hit my SL. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do at this point. If this goes up, hit the SL, perfect. If not, then I'll make more money. Well, not the real money, but this simulation money. Okay, we are pushing down and we are rejecting. Oh, boom, take profit hit. The idea was simple. I visualized where could this 4 hour candle could go, right? My visualization was that, okay, on the daily we are pushing down, on the 4 hour we can fill this wick and maybe tap this zone, right? Then I looked for resistance on the smaller time frame. Why? Here's the thing. This is what, like when market goes down, market never goes down like this. Market goes down like this. That's the same thing I did. I took a sell right here. I took a sell right here. See, market was going down, then went up, came down, then went up. So I got a confirmation here, and then I took a sell and price went down. That was the whole idea behind this trade. Let's move on to the next trade. Now, okay, we are pushing more to the downside. Speed it up. Okay, we'll move on to the next day. Wow, man, like what if I had held this trade? But who knew? Who knows that price will break this zone, price will not react to this zone, to this zone. So these type of thoughts always comes into mind, like I should have held this trade, I shouldn't have closed it. But no, we have to just stick to our rules or strategy. That's all what matters. Forward the candles. Same thing, nothing new. I'm gonna visualize the higher time frame, 4 hour, and then we'll look for confirmations on the smaller time frame. Okay, looking at the daily, okay, we closed bearish. This candle is like making a top wick. Now it's rejecting. Looking at the 4 hour, candle closed bearish, like price went down, made a low, went up, created resistance. Now there's a very high chance that the next candle could wick up and then touch these lows. So we need a resistance forming on the smaller time frame. That's the whole idea. Looking at the 30-minute. Okay, so 30-minute closed below support, we have clean range to the left, but what about the 4 hour? Right, like this candle could, if it breaks the low, yes, there is an entry, but what about the 4 hour top wick? Isn't this there's a chance, like this candle started just now, so there's a very high chance that it will first go up, create a top wick, and that top wick on the 4 hour will be resistance forming on the 30-minute. Resistance means bearish after the bullish. So we'll look for sells if price retraces, create resistance at any point, or if price do break above maybe this zone, then I'll look for buys. Yeah, then I'll look for buys. Let's calculate, measure the, okay, it's just 20 pips, so nothing. So I will take a buy if I do get a candle closure above this resistance. Other than that, I'm not going to enter any trade. Let's just slow it down. Okay, it's breaking the low, but there are no sells, bro. Why? Because number one thing, you know, this candle closed very strong bearish below support. Like this candle has almost moved about 36 pips. Okay, yeah, like it wasn't that much, but this is the idea, right? And I think this idea is not going to work. Maybe it seems like that. So yeah, but if I get some sort of retracement, then definitely I'll look for buys. Sorry, sells. Forward it. Candle closed bullish. Now this candle could go up. Yeah, if it breaks the high, we can take a buy right here maybe if this candle breaks the high, but no, I will wait for the retracement and then take a sell from this area, this area. I just want to see a little bit of top wick on the 4 hour. Yeah. Should we take a buy? Should we? Or should we stick to our plan? I think we should stick to our plan, because every time when I did not stick to my plan, I took a loss. That's the obvious thing. I have noticed this hundreds of times. So I'm gonna stick to my plan, forward it. Okay, we pushed up. Wait. Looking at the 15-minute, retracement happened, but okay, we made a top wick. Now 30-minute candle could go till this point, this area maybe, or tap this level. Okay, I'm gonna take a sell. I'm not confident, I would say, in this sell a lot, because this is the support, this is the support. Like there are a lot of areas to the left, but trusting the higher time frame. By trusting the higher time frame, I look for sell maybe with a lower lot size, 0.5. I reduced my risk. Why? Because there are some sort of rejection areas, but still visualizing the 4 hour, we can potentially go down. This is going to be the resistance. SL is very big. I'll look for SL. How can I get a smaller stop loss? How much is it? 39. Oh, sorry, not 39, 31 pip. It's 30 pip SL. This is the huge stop loss. That's the problem. But still, am I getting 1 by 1? Yeah, I'm getting 1 by 2 raised to the watt. So let's just play it. Let's see what happens. Okay, we are pushing down. We are pushing down. The thing is, when we have, like, here's the thing. If we have a clean range to the left on the higher time frame, the supports and resistances on the smaller time frames could be ignored. That's the whole idea. If we have a clean range on the higher time frame, the supports and resistances on the smaller time frame could be ignored. So okay, and another thing is we are reaching this support, so I will close this trade, right? Like, I'm not that confident in this trade, I would say, because we are approaching the support area. So maybe price can go down to potentially fill this wicks, but I took my part from the markets and I'm totally okay with that. Forward it, and okay, we are pushing down. Did we tap RTP? Yes, we did tap RTP. Now it will go to the 4-hour close bearish. Okay, let's move on to the next day. Moving on to the next day to see what it did. Sometimes it happens, right? Like you will close the trades. Even I do. I close the trades and then price moves 100 pips, 50 pips. But I just took my part. Okay, again, I'm at 8 o'clock pre-London time, and we are pushing down very heavily. Bearish, 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 bearish. So yeah, I would say maybe there is a chance that the next candle, like this current candle, could go bullish. Now, why I'm saying this is because 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 consecutive bearish candles, like 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive bearish candles, and then got a little bit of retracement, then go down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then price went down. Okay, like whenever market moves in one direction, it always retraces, right? Like there were only 2 candles, but they were huge candles, and then a little bit of retracement. So by keeping this idea into mind, my bias is not sure. Like, I won't say I'm not sure the markets can do whatever they want to do. Maybe we can get 4 more consecutive bearish candles without any bullish candles. So we don't know, but we'll see. I need some sort of retracement on the 30-minute time frame to take a sell. Other than that, I'm not gonna enter right here just to say that okay, market is gonna continue bearish. No. This is the trap. This is where I have trapped multiple times. Like, when market is going down, I in the past I wanted to look for sells, but now I need retracement. So that's the whole idea. Let's just mark this as support. Okay, we are pushing up. We pushed up. This is the resistance. We are going up. Candle closed above. Now, if I get some sort of confirmation like the bearish, because we moved 60 pips above, so if I get a little bit of retracement type of thing or retest, then I'll look for buys maybe. But till then, forward the candles. Okay, we pushed up. Candle closed bearish, and we are tapping this zone. Maybe price will reject from this level, maybe. Looking at the 30-minute. Okay, if this kind of breaks the low, I'm going to explain this trade, that why I'm going to enter in this trade. We are in a downtrend, right? We are in a downtrend, and Whenever the market is in downtrend, it moves like this, right? Goes down, and wait a second. Like market goes down, then goes up, then goes down, then goes up, then goes down. This is the whole idea. So that's the same thing happening here. Are not we pushing down, and then we retraced, and then we are at the previous support, 4 hours giving rejection. So maybe price could go down. So I'll take a selling position. If this candle breaks the low, I'll look for sells. But if not, then there's nothing that okay, I'll take a sell right here. TP will be right here, and let's take a look at 15 minutes. Okay, yeah, let's just run it. Looking at the 30-minute. Okay, we are pushing down. I used lower risk, and I should have used 1% risk, but I didn't saw at that point. So okay, we are pushing down and we are rejecting. Oh, we have time left in this candle to close. So maybe the 5-minute. Okay, 15-minute is closed bearish, but closed with a rejection. So let's see. We have 8 minutes left in this candle closure. Let's just speed it up a little bit. We have 7 minutes left, 6 minutes left, 5 minutes left, and this candle, if this candle closes bearish, then there's a very high chance like this it will close below support, clean range to the left. So okay, we are pushing down. Yes, definitely we are gonna move down, and come on, 15-minute. Okay, this candle went up to maybe create a top wick. Now it should continue pushing down and retest the lows it created before. 4 hour is rejecting from that same level. Looking at the 30-minute, and we are gonna we have 4 minutes left in this 30-minute candle closure. 1 hour is also gonna close. So I'm just $50 up on this trade. So okay, we are pushing down. I'm up 1%. I'm up 1% on this trade. So is it a good idea to close it? Yes, it is a good idea. Yes. Why I closed, I don't know. Okay, tap the target, by the way. This is what happens. This is what happens when, like, imagine I had held this trade. This is the question I get into my mind always, like, okay, 29 pip SL and 132 pips take profit, right? That's what, but still I'm totally happy with this. Imagine this happens in the real market, how someone's psychology would get hit. Moving on. Okay, the next trade will be our last trade. By the way, see this, we went down, we again pushed up because it was a downtrend. Price created resistance on the previous support. right? This was the support, price went down, price created resistance on the previous support, and then we pushed heavily to the downside. If I was trading New York session, then I would definitely take a sell at this point, and then anticipating that the price would go down. Anyway, let's move on to the next day. 8 o'clock. Okay, it's 8 o'clock. First of all, take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Okay, we are, delete all these lines over here. We are moving down. Let's take a look at the daily. Maybe we are not at the support area, so we should not be worried about that. 4-hour candle, we're moving down pretty heavily bearish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now 4-hour will retrace to maybe potentially go to the downside, right? The same thing, go down, up, down, up. So we are moving up, but if we take a look at the structure of the 4-hour, like the candles, strong bullish, and the weak bullish body, maybe this candle can go down. Like that's the thought process behind. I'll never take a buy, by the way. I will never take a buy right here. Even if it goes up, yes, I know I'm getting the set. We have a clean range to the left, but I will not consider buys. Okay, and even the confirmation is not there, because 1, 2, 3, we have 3 consecutive bullish candles. So what's the probability that this candle will go up? Why? Like, even if it has to go up, obviously it has to go up, then retrace and then go up. Or maybe if I get some sort of retracement on the 30-minute, then candle closed bullish, if I get a stronger confirmation, then I'll look for entry. Otherwise, no, there's no entry. Even if this candle breaks the high, moves up, that's totally fine. I'm not gonna execute on this. And okay, we closed, it did retest type of thing, but there is no entry at this point. Okay, we are pushing down. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. The problem is now this 4-hour. If this candle was bearish, then I would definitely look for sells. But right at this moment, I'm a little bit, not sure that in what direction market could go. But the main idea is market will go down, because the size of the candles is getting decreased as we were going up. Like, see this strong body, then size of the body is lower than the previous candle, then this is even much lower than these 2 previous candles. So the volume going up is decreasing. That's what I'm thinking at this point. Maybe if this candle closes back inside, can I take a sell, anticipating it as looking it as a fake out? No. Okay, it's not a fake out. Okay, we are pushing up, and I guess I should have taken a trade right here, because okay, now if I get some sort of confirmation right here, price, now it will maybe go up. But if it retraces right here, and then we'll take a look at this. We have 5 minutes left in candle closure. Candle closed bearish. 1 hour, 30-minute. If we do break below this level, I'll look for sells, right? Speed it up. And we are pushing up. Let's take a buy right here. Let's take a buy, because it seems like 4-hour is pushing up. Yeah, it's not gonna go down. So let's take a buy right here. SL will go under this can, but I'm still not confident in the buys because we are in the downtrend. Price can at any point, price can go up, candle will close bearish, and it will start dropping. That's what my idea is. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Where could this 4 hour candle could go? Okay, let's just not overthink and take a buy. Yeah, I think I'm overthinking at this point. So accept and let it run. What happened? Oh, take profit hit. Well, it was such a nice trade. Seems like we pushed up because we had a room to the left. Maybe price can tap this level and then go down. Like, that's just a rough idea. So it's a very, I would say, like long-term thing, that whether it will happen or not, but it was a nice trade. Price went up. Okay, let's see the stats. Trading panel, statistics, and number of closed trades 5, profit trades 5. Like, I didn't lose even a single trade, and average profit trade was this. Like, you can see all these stats over here in this MT5 simulator, and the graph was like this. Closed trades, history. Okay, like, we can even download this history also. We can download these statistics also to Excel sheet. So yeah, this was the simulation session of gold. I hope you guys learned something. Do let me know in the comment section that how was this simulation session, whether you found it useful or not. And thank you so much for watching.